Is your hospital floor a breeding ground for infection? Stop scrolling. Standard tiles have joints where bacteria hide in an OT or ICU. That's a massive risk. Introducing Ncare's antibacterial vinyl flooring. We create a 100% seamless, non-porous shield using professional heat welding techniques. Our flooring is chemical resistant, anti-static, and built for heavy medical traffic, ensuring precision installation for Tamil Nadu's top facilities. Don't just build for safety with Ncare OT Solutions excellence in healthcare infrastructure. Whether you are in Chennai or Coimbatore, we bring world-class standards to your facility. Planning an upgrade or a new project? Save this video right now for your next planning meeting and call us for a technical audit today.